friend of me is Honor 50, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings, scroll all the way down and choose accessibility features. Now tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher to activate it. Then follow those instructions. I have 3 keys navigation, so I have to slide my finger across the bottom of the screen. If you wish to use your phone with your right hand, you need to swipe to the right. In order to go back, click on the blank area. If you wish to use it with your left, you need to do exactly the same to the left. Go back the same way, and in order to switch off one-handed mode completely, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!